Welcome to our intriguing journey into the world of freckles. Have you ever wondered why some people have these delightful spots on their skin? In this comprehensive video, we will dive deep into the science and genetics behind freckles, exploring 40 fascinating facts that shed light on this unique feature. From their origin to the role of genetics, we will uncover the mysteries of freckles and explain why they appear on certain individuals. Get ready to be amazed as we unravel the secrets of freckles, offering you valuable insights into this endearing characteristic. Fact 1. What are freckles? Freckles are small, flat, and circular spots that appear on the skin due to increased melanin production. Melanin is the pigment responsible for skin coloration, and when its production is stimulated by sunlight, freckles may appear on sun-exposed areas. Fact 2. Sun exposure and freckles. Freckles are more pronounced in individuals with fair skin and are often triggered or intensified by sun exposure. Sunlight stimulates melanocytes to produce more melanin, resulting in the development of freckles on individuals with fair skin who have less melanin to begin with. Fact 3. Genetics and freckles. The presence of freckles is influenced by genetic factors inherited from parents and ancestors. If freckles are common in a family's genetic history, individuals are more likely to inherit the genetic predisposition for freckle. Fact 4. Freckles vs. Sunspots. Freckles and sunspots spots are distinct skin features caused by different mechanisms. Freckles are usually smaller and lighter in color than sunspots, which are caused by excessive sun exposure over time. Fact 5. Types of freckles. There are two main types of freckles: ephelides and lentigens. Ephelides are common freckles that fade during the winter and darken with sun exposure, while lentigens are darker and often persist throughout the year. Fact 6. Freckles and skin cancer risk. Freckles themselves are harmless and not directly associated with an increased risk of skin cancer. However, the presence of freckles can indicate sun sensitivity, which may put individuals at a higher risk of skin damage and skin cancer if proper sun protection is not followed. Fact 7. The role of melanocytes. Freckles result from an uneven distribution of melanocytes in the skin. Melanocyte cells that produce melanin and their concentration in certain areas of the skin leads to the formation of freckles. Fact 8. Hormonal influence on freckles. Hormonal changes, such as during pregnancy or puberty, can affect the appearance of freckles. Hormonal fluctuations can stimulate melanocytes, leading to temporary or permanent changes in freckle intensity. Fact 9. Freckles and vitamin D production. Freckles may slightly affect the production of vitamin D in the skin. The presence of freckles may reduce the skin's ability to produce vitamin D in response to sunlight, but other factors such as overall sun exposure also play a significant role. Fact 10. Genetic variation and freckles. The number and distribution of freckles vary widely among individuals due to genetic diversity. Genetic factors determine the extent of freckling on the skin, leading to unique patterns in different individuals. Fact 11. Freckles and ethnicity. Freckles are more common in individuals of European descent. Fair-skinned individuals with less melanin are more susceptible to freckles due to their increased sensitivity to sun exposure. Fact 12. Freckles as a genetic marker. Freckles have been studied as a genetic marker for identifying gene variations associated with melanoma and skin cancer risk. Genetic research on freckles may provide insights into skin cancer susceptibility and Fact 13. Freckles and sunscreen use. Proper and consistent use of sunscreen can help prevent the formation of new freckles and protect the skin from harmful UV rays. Sunscreen with broad-spectrum protection can shield the skin from sun-induced damage, reducing freckle development. Fact 14. Freckles and melanin distribution. Freckles are caused by an uneven distribution of melanin in the epidermis. Melanin accumulates in specific areas of the skin due to melanocyte activity, leading to the appearance of freckles. Fact 15. Inherited and acquired freckles. Freckles can be classified as either inherited or acquired. Inherited freckles are present from a young age and tend to be more uniform in appearance, while acquired freckles develop later in life and can be more irregular. Fact 16. Freckles and sunburn sensitivity. Individuals with freckles may experience increased sensitivity to sunburn. The presence of freckles suggests lower melanin levels, making the skin more susceptible to UV damage. Fact 17. Evolutionary perspective on freckles. Freckles may have provided an evolutionary advantage by offering some level of sun protection to individuals with fair skin in regions with intense sunlight. Freckles may have acted as a natural defense mechanism against harmful UV rays. Fact 18. Freckles and fading with age. Freckles often fade with age due to changes in melanin production and skin cell turnover. As individuals age, melanin production may decrease, leading to a reduction in freckle visibility. Fact 19. Freckles and environmental factors. Besides genetic influences, environmental factors such as sun exposure and pollution can also contribute to the development of freckles. Sunlight is a key trigger for freckles, while pollution and other environmental stresses may exacerbate their appearance. Fact 20. The connection between freckles and red hair. Freckles are more common in individuals with red hair and fair skin. Redheads have a higher concentration of pheomelanin and type of melanin in their skin, making them more susceptible to freckles. Fact 21. Relationship between freckles and phototypes. The Fitzpatrick scale classifies skin types based on their response to UV radiation, and freckles are more prevalent in individuals with lower phototypes I and I. Individuals with lower phototypes have less melanin in their skin, leading to an increased likelihood of freckles. Fact 22. Connection between freckles and eye color. Freckles are more common in individuals with lighter eye colors, such as blue or green. Eye color is determined by the same genes that influence freckle development, resulting in a correlation between the two characteristics. Fact 23. Freckles and vitamin C. Consuming foods rich in vitamin C may have a positive effect on skin health and reduce the appearance of freckles. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis and skin repair, potentially helping to maintain a healthy complexion. Fact 24. Sun protection and freckles. Wearing protective clothing and seeking shade can help prevent freckles from becoming more pronounced. Reducing sun exposure is vital for individuals with freckles to prevent further melanin production. Fact 25. Temporary freckles. Some individuals may experience temporary freckles during certain seasons, such as summer. Sunlight exposure during specific times of the year can lead to the temporary appearance of freckles. Fact 26. The role of melanin types. Freckles result from the accumulation of both eumelanin, melanin, and pahomelanin in the skin. The varying levels of melanin types contribute to the coloration and intensity of freckles. Fact 27. Appearance of freckles on different body parts. Freckles can appear on various body parts, including the face, arms, shoulders, and chest. Areas of the body with more sun exposure are more susceptible to freckle development. Fact 28. Freckles and self-confidence. Some individuals embrace their freckles as unique features, enhancing their self-confidence and body positivity. Freckles are part of an individual's natural appearance and can be celebrated as distinctive characteristics. Fact 29. Freckles and seasons. Freckles may become more pronounced during sunny seasons and less noticeable during winter. Sunlight exposure during summer can darken freckles, while reduced sun exposure in winter may cause them to fade. Fact 30. Freckles and UV-induced damage. Freckles can be a visual indicator of previous UV-induced skin damage. Freckles serve as reminders of the skin's response to sun exposure and potential risks. Fact 31. Topical treatments for freckles. Topical treatments with ingredients like retinoids and alpha hydroxy acids can help reduce the appearance of freckles. These ingredients aid in skin cell turnover and may lighten freckles over time. Fact 32. Freckles and emotional response. Some individuals may feel self-conscious or embarrassed about their freckles, especially if they stand out prominently. social stigmas, or aesthetic preferences can influence an individual's emotional response to freckles. Fact 33. Freckles as unique markings. Each individual's freckle pattern is unique, akin to a fingerprint, making them personal and distinct features. Freckles add to an individual's physical identity and can be viewed as charming characteristics. Fact 34. The link between sunburn and freckles. Individuals with freckles may be more susceptible to sunburn due to their skin's reduced melanin levels. The lack of sufficient melanin makes the skin more vulnerable to UV damage. Fact 35. Freckles and family history. Family history is a significant factor in determining an individual's likelihood of developing freckles. If parents or grandparents have freckles, there is a higher chance of inheritance. Fact 36. Evolutionary adaptation of freckles. Freckles may have served as an evolutionary adaptation for humans living in regions with intense sunlight. The concentration of freckles in specific areas may have provided extra protection from sun exposure. Fact 37. Cultural views on freckles. Cultural attitudes towards freckles vary worldwide, with some societies considering them attractive and unique, while others may view them differently. Cultural perceptions influence how individuals with freckles are perceived and accepted. Fact 38. Freckles as a response to sun damage. Freckles can be seen as the skin's way of responding to UV-induced damage and protecting itself. Melanin production increases as a defense mechanism to shield the skin from further harm. Fact 39. Freckles and heritability. The tendency to develop freckles is influenced by multiple genes inherited from both parents. Various genetic factors contribute to the likelihood of freckles appearing in an individual. Fact 40. The myth of freckle removal. Despite various claims, freckles cannot be permanently removed. While certain treatments may lighten freckles, they will not eliminate them completely, as they are a natural feature of the skin. Freckles are not only a visual characteristic, but also a fascinating insight into the complex interaction of genetics, melanin production, and environmental factors. Understanding the science behind freckles enhances our appreciation for the uniqueness of each individual's skin. Embrace your freckles as a part of your distinct beauty, and remember to protect your skin from harmful UV rays to maintain its health and radiance. As we conclude this exploration, we hope you have gained valuable insights into the charming world of freckles. Remember to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on skin health and beauty. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.